Well, it's the 7th of March today. Look back up to the river. It's gonna be rainy for like the next week or two, or a lot. So figured I would get out tonight. Huds is also gonna come ride with me, so I'm excited about that, and see what I can do on more of the acres to get some done before probably it will be parked until actual springtime gets here. So yeah, get at it. Can't turn down getting a chance to drive the tractor, or as my wife likes to say, operate the tractor, because the tractor is driving itself. So yeah, it'll be good. I did get the question in my last video on how the 24-speed transmission works in these articulated tractors, or these particular age tractors. So you have an A, B, C, and D, then you have a 1, 2, 3, and then you have a high-low. So for me, it's really easy. Typically in B, B2, that gets you going. And then, so if I'm at 2.5 miles an hour right here, if I shift up, I'm at about 3. So you do have the high-low right on the console, but it's pretty easy. It definitely reminds me of the quad, although the quad, obviously, you could move from 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. This is, you're in your, it's essentially the same, but obviously with the high-low. But this is what 24 speed is considered. When I start or go into the last instance too early, and it's counting down every time I go 15 feet. I'll learn that for next time. I hadn't experienced it yet, so just driving back to the backfield. So I did just want to do a quick video of the On-Track 3 auto steer unit from Ag Leader. This is the type of unit that fits onto the steering wheel and then basically turns the steering wheel as if you're doing it. That's different from my 8245R, which has the integrated auto steer, but to me this was a very cost-effective way to get auto steer on this tractor. I already had the Ag Leader Integra monitor, as well as the Starfire Globe 7000 for the roof. So yeah, just a pretty economical way to add auto steer to this tractor without really spending too much money. Obviously that's the word, economical. But yeah, it allows me to not have to turn it sharp on the ends. Also just operator fatigue, being able to watch more things, make more videos. But still need to turn around on the end. Because this does such a good job of pulling it, I mean obviously it's a 300 horsepower tractor on a 5-shank ripper. I do idle it down. I like to go around 5, 5.5. Could go faster, but I have it idled down to about 1800 RPM, and overall I think it pulls it really well. You can kind of see it stays at right around 1800 pretty well. Maybe could go a little bit faster. The actual GPS unit is saying 4.7 miles an hour. So, yeah. No, hey, can you tell people on the YouTube what think of it?
Good.
Do you like your buddy seat?
Yes.
Have you found another cool spot to sit? Right back here?
Yes.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? What do we have for dinner tonight?
Pizza and McDonald's.
Is Daddy actually driving the tractor? Oh, that's driving? I kind of swore I was driving. Do you want to video some for them to show what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna have fun?
Yeah. We're ripping, and we already did all of it. That's just black. We did all of this. All over this and that corner. Yeah.
What are we about to hit?
Oh! We're about to hit it. Oh! Is it gonna turn?
No, I gotta turn it.
You what?
Hey, watch your hand over. Watch your hand over the camera.
Wow, we missed it. My name is Hudson. We're in the new tractor right now, and we're harvesting. We're ripping the corn.
We're doing tillage.
Doing tillage. I didn't show the sky. See?
Yep. You can talk.
No, you.
They hear me talk all the time.
What do you say?
They hear me talk all the time. They want to hear Hudson talk. Just doing a quick check that everything is still there. It's nice to make sure your points and your shunts and your discs are moving. Because sounds so good. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so might as well get as much done as I can, but make sure that it's working in the meantime. So should be easy, not too bad. Well, that was actually a really good and productive night. I didn't want to push the issue of getting into ground that, to me, there's still enough time. No sense of doing it poorly. But got about 27 acres in, so of the 45. Just gonna go put everything away and call it a night.